Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see who liked you on Happn without paying. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your Happn app on your phone. Once you have opened it up, make sure you have signed in with your account as well. Now once you over here, you can see it's taking a bit of a time for it to load. I'm going to remove it for now. I can directly start now swiping up and I can check out the profiles. I can check out the profiles likewise over here. And if I want to see who has liked me, I can tap on this likes option. And then once I'm over here, you can see these people have simply liked me. Okay, so for me to see their profile, I have to tap on see their profile, which will require me to get their premium. If I do not have the premium, I cannot check out their profile. Go ahead, check out the premium of whichever one you think you can afford and can go with. Take the premium, check out the profile, but I don't think it's that important for you to see who has liked you, because if they want to simply match and you are like mutual, they can simply text, just like I have received a text right over here by this people. And once I do that, I can see that this person has texted me that this person wants to connect with me, and that is basically showing that that person has liked me, right? I can simply check it out and I am good to go. That is the way for you to check out who has liked you. Otherwise, you will have to simply get the premium of the Happn and you're perfectly fine for you to check it out, because once you tap on it, all the profile will be visible. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.